Hey, users out there, hello. So, today we are talking about Arizona State University's Master of Science in Business Analytics program there. So, for those of you are not aware, Arizona State University is a public research university located in Tampa, Arizona, a very hot place in summers, trust me, but beautiful in winters. Ranked 105 in national university rankings, acceptance around 60%, graduation around 66%, with campus locations around downtown Phoenix there. So, we what is this Masters of Sciences Business Analytics program? So, this is an STEM program, and for those who are in international students, this is going to give you a 3-year OPT. So that is very important because it is comes under master's programs there. So it is as a STEM program, you get an additional 2-year OPT. So ASU's MBN program provides students with advanced analytical capabilities. 30 to 43 credits are required to complete it. And you will see that this is quite flexible in terms of what you want to pick. 9 to 24 months is duration, online on campus, and it can be full time, part time, depending on which how many courses you choose and what is the format you're going to pick there. So features of this program, it has goes a much more details into compared to other colleges, and that's we're going to talk in a separate video. But it has got a big data emphasis, adaptive curriculum, diverse specializations, and program length choices there, as we said. There are 5 specializations track you can choose from: big data, cloud computing and tech consulting, fintech, marketing analytics, supply chain analytics. And those you are looking for some AI, you might be disappointed, but don't worry. AI, especially the generative AI, is so new that colleges are not offering it. So you might be better off while in the college and learning along with those cloud computing and the big data there. So let's compare these specialization tracks. Depending on what you pick, the duration can change from 9 months to 16 months, and the credit requirements for completion will also change, and the tuition will also vary. As you can see, the 9 months, 30 hours is 56,000, but 16 months can go to $79,000, which is a very hefty price for a master's program there. That's what I would say here. But don't worry, they do offer excellent financial aid and scholarships, and we're going to talk about it later. They're good companies which are hiring from ASUs, and you get excellent internship opportunities. Even though it is in Arizona, you might think, but that is hub of some of those big tech companies out there. So there is internship opportunities there, as we said. So admission requirements for Master of Science in Business Analytics program: bachelor's degree, WorkX, transcript, resume, essay, recommendation letters, and GRE scores are optionals for this program, which means you can entirely skip the GRE. So once again, at a high level, this 9 months program or 12 months program is going to cost you around $58,000. But don't be disheartened because ASU does offer a lot of financial aid, and it can be based in terms of merit. So depending on your GPA, and if you convince the admission officer that you are one of the best candidates, I am pretty sure that the scales can be tilted in your favor with you getting some merit based scholarships from the college there. All right, so that's about Arizona State University's Master of Sciences Business Analytics program. And for details and comparing with other colleges, you can go to collegereport.com. In another upcoming videos, we're going to talk about Hult versus Arizona State University and Hult versus Northeastern University. So stay tuned. Thank you.